Good afternoon. My name is Mark Layton, and I'm an account executive with Aspire Software, a Service Titan company. Coming from the janitorial industry, I understand how busy your day can be and how challenging it is for you to be able to take the time to attend this session, so we greatly appreciate you being here today. The Aspire platform can be a point of discussion for hours, but with our short time together, we want to touch on some highlights of how we help our customers become more successful in their business. In the commercial cleaning industry, there are many facets of your business that require attention for you to be successful. Staff management and scheduling, field communications, financials, estimating, and invoicing are all areas that require efficiency and accuracy. In addition, you need to constantly manage and report on results and profitability. In working with other commercial cleaning companies, we've seen a common phenomenon related to their use of systems and technology. When companies first start their business, they use low-cost business tools, which worked fine. But as these companies grew and their needs became more complex, it required tools like QuickBooks, time clock systems, a CRM, or some type of business management system. Once implemented, this patchwork set of solutions worked in the short term, but as the businesses continue to grow, frustration sets in. The different systems are poorly integrated and don't share critical business data, which require lots of manual data entry, importing and exporting of that data, and tracking that data across multiple systems and user interfaces. This situation impacts efficiencies with time spent managing those systems and those manual processes. At Aspire, we have a name for this phenomenon, and we call it the Franken system. Looks a little bit like what you're seeing on the screen today. We call it that Franken system because owners have good intentions when building and assembling this disjointed set of systems and data, but it also creates a new set of challenges. There must be a better way. That better way is a complete platform designed specifically for enterprise commercial cleaning companies that solves more complex needs, such as field staff management, estimating, scheduling, site and quality inspections, a CRM, real-time job costing, accounting and payroll, invoicing, and reporting. That complete platform provides many benefits, including the following. Gives you the ability to have consistent and efficient process across all your operations. It also gives you the ability and lets you know how to make timely and well-informed decisions based on the business data Aspire provides you. It also gives you a much better communication tool with field staff and clients with comprehensive workforce management capabilities, including site audit capability for inspections and quality control, as well as a customer portal to respond to your clients quickly. This is why organizations choose Aspire as their end-to-end business management solution for growth and profitability. Now let's take a look at the platform. Aspire's platform allows you to manage your workforce more effectively while helping increase accountability. With time-based scheduling, managers and field supervisors schedule jobs based on your customer service windows. Another capability closely related to time-based scheduling is absentee notifications, which automatically notifies field supervisors via SMS if employees do not clock in for any reason based on the predetermined time that you set. Finally, the task management feature in Aspire provides a detailed list of required tasks for field employees to track. As work is completed, your staff can check off that those items from their list have been completed. This set of capabilities can also be used to help staff that are not familiar with the site and associated with those tasks. The Aspire platform also syncs instantaneously with the mobile app to ensure your teams always have quick access to the information they need each day while they're at work. Any updates made to the system's live schedule board are visible within the app as they occur, so team leaders always know where they are expected and what work is to be completed. As businesses grow, they need deeper visibility into the processes that help keep them operating. With Aspire, you now have all the business data you need in a single view. It provides you with real-time, accurate representation of how your business is currently performing with metrics like accounts receivable, billings, staff efficiencies, and P&L. We recently had a client present to our sales team, and he explained that the most life-changing benefits he received after deploying the Aspire solution was his ability to have all his company data at his fingertips. As he travels to the airport, for instance, he logs in to see what his team has accomplished while he was traveling. He can dive into any pressing issues he may need to resolve once he returns. In his words, Aspire has provided him the opportunity as an owner to spend more time on the business versus in it. Improving communication with field staff and clients are essential for success. Aspire's Field mobile app allows your team to access and log operational or visit notes and even attach photos. The app also allows the team to create, assign, and respond to issues as well as share them with management and to communicate to the customer. Customers can access their client portal and notify you of any issues as well. Site inspections are also critical for quality assurance and improving client satisfaction. Aspire's site audit tool allows you to conduct thorough property inspections to identify additional work that may be desired by the customer, validate the quality of work being performed, and support ongoing quality improvement. These capabilities create a three-way communication loop between your customer, administrators in the office, and your employees in the field. Not only does this help increase accountability, but it also eliminates manual communication methods that are inefficient at best. With the Aspire platform, your property data is always centralized for quick access, allowing you to see details like the account owner, primary contact, company, earned revenue, current account balance, and even your gross margin for the account. You can also view your last site inspection or visit and your next visit from the property record itself, in addition to maps, pictures, and other important information stored about the property like bids for that specific location. This visibility provides any team member with quick insight into properties without having to search through files or paperwork. Aspire helps improve the accuracy and consistency of your estimates. You can create templates to combine commonly used services, pricing, and language for estimating specific types of work. You can also create kits, which combine the production factors your company uses, perhaps from ISSA, with labor and supply costs into a single item on the estimate itself. With no limit into the flexibility of templates and production rates or rate kits, Aspire enables your team to quickly and accurately bid large and/or complex jobs by simply altering the measurements and quantities. In Aspire, the margins and markups you've established for labor, materials, subcontractors, and other direct costs are automatically calculated into your estimates to help ensure profitability. The system also allows your clients to receive and view bids as well as provide approval with their digital signature via email or right from within your company's customer portal. Aspire provides unmatched real-time visibility into your data by division, service type, property, account manager, team leader, job, or by a work ticket. You can clearly see and easily understand your actual job cost and profitability at any time. With a clear view of the performance of your accounts and contracts, you can adjust your company's specific bidding templates and kits, as well as your production factors and markups at any point in time to ensure your estimates are not only consistent and accurate, but also profitable. And at year's end, having easy access to your historical job data and contracts can help simplify auditing, forecasting, and planning, and provide data to make informed decisions related to your overall company budget. Having this level of insight helps you determine precisely where improvements or changes are needed. These are only a few ways technology and Aspire can help your business grow and achieve its goals. The Aspire platform offers many more capabilities that provide significant benefits across your entire business. Please reach out to us if you'd like a full overview of the solution, and thank you for your time today.